Meet the potoo bird. This creature isn't just a bird, it's a tree stump impersonator. Found in Central and South America, the potoo has perfected the art of camouflage. Its mottled gray-brown feathers blend so seamlessly with tree bark. Even a squirrel might mistake it for a branch. But here's the kicker, the potoo holds still for up to 20 hours a day. That's right. It's basically the world's most patient statue. Why? To avoid predators. When danger lurks, it freezes, narrows its eyes to slits, and becomes one with the tree. Even its eggs are laid in broken branches to stay hidden. Now, don't let its daytime laziness fool you. At night, this bird transforms into a silent hunter. Those giant yellow eyes? Night vision goggles for snatching moths and beetles mid-air. And that wide mouth? A built-in bug net. Oh. And its call sounds like a haunted whimper, perfect for spooking campfire stories. But relax. The potoo's a vegetarian, just kidding. It's all about the insect life. So next time you're in a rainforest, remember that tree stump might be judging you.